Hola todos. Hi everyone. Welcome to today's Spanish lesson. My name is Diego. I'm from Mexico, and I'll be helping you learn Spanish step by step, sin estrés without stress. Today, we're going to talk about the verb estar, which means to be in English. But wait, didn't we already learn that ser also means to be? Yes, but here's the trick. In Spanish, we have two verbs for to be, ser and estar. So, when do we use estar? Think of estar as the verb you use for temporary states and locations. A good way to remember this is place, position, location, action, condition, and emotion. Let's look at each one with examples. 1. Position. We use estar to describe where someone or something is physically positioned. Example, El libro está sobre la mesa. The book is on the table. 2. Location. Estar is also used to say where someone or something is located, even if it's permanent. Example, La escuela está en el centro de la ciudad. The school is in the center of the city. 3. Action. Ongoing actions with present progressive. When someone is doing something right now, we use estar with the ing form in Spanish. Example, Yo estoy enseñando español. I am teaching Spanish. Te estás aprendiendo. You are learning. 4. Condition. We use estar for physical or mental conditions, things that can change. I am sick, but maybe tomorrow it'll be better. Practice time. Okay, let's practice. They'll say a sentence in English, and you try to say it in Spanish using estar. 1. I am tired. Estoy cansado for a man, / estoy cansada for a woman. 1. She is at home. Ella está en casa. 2. We are happy. Estamos felices. My bean, great job. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using estar like a pro. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to review the place rule and try making your own sentences with estar. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. YouTube is Spanish language learning. Facebook is Spanish language learning. I put the link in description.